Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita the enemy. Umam Rebecca is still missing, but Unolita uyabona ukuthi kushaya amanzi. What decide ukwenzani? What decide ke Unolita ukuthi athathe isikhiya abheke ukuthi uchuma kahle kahle uyaphi. Hayi atholile ke athola umam Rebecca kube umuntu onakekela umam Rebecca ofunza umam Rebecca oyenzani. Now here's the thing, umam Rebecca kept on saying ukuthi help me, I won't tell indoda yakho ukuthi ubulala ukhaya. Like really, I think ukuthi at this point ukuthi izophuma lento akabone ukuthi kwenzakalani, angazi nje ukuthi inkinga yakhe ikuphi, but now le secret le eventually izophuma. Please do pardon the noise, these kids are too excited coming back from the holidays. Hayi shamke, aye amfunzile ngisho angene ke uqhuma athi ngithi ufunani, but sukje yiso yini ekuhlanganisa nale ndawo. Hechuma yini ekuhlanganisa no Rebecca? Ya mam Rebecca ini ngiyazi ukuthi wenzeni kudala mara kongoku kwenzeni ngoku, let's talk about ngoku. Umuntu abulala ubhuti wakho ningakhuluma ngoku, like really? Hayi ke babe worried laba abanye usolomzi no boyfriend ka mam Rebecca baqabange usolomzi was thinking ukuthi to approach uqhuma ukuthi uqhuma basize, but ke uqhuma boyfriend wathi no, we cannot ask uqhuma for anything. Angisho because of in deep down uyazi ukuthi uqhuma has something to do with this whole thing. Now will umam Rebecca be found, and when she is found will she spill the beans about indaba kaKhaya? With that said, a competition year beauty contest for everyone, shape, size and form and everything is continuing. Esihlahleni hayi bayacompete man, bayacompete. Unka always knows how to get money from community members. It's not even funny. uMathiliso uthi nje mabayiwina imali uzoba ne-enough money nomuntu akhe ukuthi bambomboze. Speaking of umuntu wakhe, uMadlamini amhambisele ukudla nani asahlaba ipapa neshukela laphayana kuyisono. Buza hayi athi khoza esontweni uzoqolisa waqolisa saqolisa akhulekelwe nje urepentile strong. Ngiyakutshela ukuthi umalume nje seka laphayana esontweni lamo profito ukuthi uzoprofessor naye asazi. Into esiyaziyo ukuthi uNomsa is not happy, uNomsa is disappointed, uNomsa does not like what's happening, but it's not up to her because uNomsa had an opportunity to love his brother, to love her brother rather. And into engikwatisa ngoNomsa, if you have picked it up, uNomsa is easy to forgive everybody else except her family. Why is that? I don't get it.